Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to make a table of contents. So a table of contents is really crucial when it comes to writing books, research proposals, dissertations, reports. You find that it enables someone to know what is found on which page, and it is an important feature in Word. So we'll kickstart our video. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. So in order to make a table of contents, someone may have to first identify the different titles or headings that are going to be in the document. For example, we have the first heading as declaration, and we are going to categorize these headings under heading 1, 2, and 3, basing on the heading, subheading, and then the small headings under. So I'll come to declaration, then I make specification of heading 1 by right clicking, then I click on modify. I come here, I make a few changes, make it bold, then I adjust the font size, then orient it to the center, and then new document based on this document, I press OK. So if I find heading 1, I'll be applying those changes to it, and then I'll have to include the approval. It will be heading 1. Then to the declaration, which will also be heading 1. Then we come to the acknowledgement, we have heading 1 to it. Acknowledgement, which will be heading 1. Then we come to the table contents. This is where I will put our table. It will also be heading 1. Then the list of tables, heading 1. Then the list of figures, this will also be under heading 1. Then the list of abbreviations, heading 1. And then the operational definitions, we come and also apply heading 1 to it. And then the abstract, which will also be heading 1. And then we come to chapter 1, this introduction, we make it heading 1. Now it has a smaller subheading, and we'll come and make it heading 2. So we will come and modify the specifications of heading 2. We orient it to the left, bold, font size 13, and we make this Times New Roman, then a new document based on this document. So whenever we find heading 2, we'll be applying those changes to it. So we'll apply it here. That will be heading 2. Then we come down. This will also be heading 2. Then we go down. This will be heading 2. But this has a smaller subheading, so this will be heading 3. We come here and adjust the specifications. We orient it to the left, we make it Times New Roman, and we make the color black. Then we can comfortably say new document based on this document. Then we go, it has a small subheading also. This will also be heading 3. So assuming our document stops here, and that is what we've included, that is what we want to include. Remember where I want to insert table here on the edge. Then we click here, then we come to references, then we come to table of contents, and then we insert an automatic table of contents. So you find that you can see that it has organized and given us a table of contents here. So we can come, remove this, then we edit this. table of contents. Then we can be able to adjust it to what we want. We go back to home, then we can center it. We can put it to the font size we want. Let me say 16. We come, we tune it to Times New Roman, then we make it bold, we make it black, and then we can make it capital. So you find that with this we've achieved our table of contents, and we can make adjustments in it by updating it in case there are changes in page numbers. Alternatively, we can click here and we can be able to, in case there have been some changes here and there, so our table of contents will be updated automatically without having to struggle. Hopefully with that you've learned how to make an automatic of contents. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. In our next video we will learn how to insert the list of figures and the list of tables. Thank you. Have a good time.